My hair started falling out last year, 2021, after I got really sick with COVID. The end of July, beginning of August, I contracted the Delta variant and it almost took me out of here. So I am just now recovering, and when I got home from the hospital, my hair started coming out in clumps. So I just wanted to show you the top part of my hair. My daughter is recording for me, so hopefully you can see a little bit. We did the best that we could. So the top part of my hair is so short to where you literally can see my scalp through my hair. Do you see how short this is in the front? It's hardly no hair there. So I went and picked up the Don't Despair Repair line at Ulta, and I got the shampoo, conditioner, and a hair mask. The Don't Despair Repair is supposed to help cleanse your hair without stripping its natural oils. It restores hydration, and it has a lot of vitamins in it. So I'm gonna open this one up for you so you can see what it looks like. This is the conditioning mask, and I've already used this before prior to my hair falling out, so I already knew I was gonna like this product. If you would have seen the hair that fell out of my head while I was going through this process, you can tell this is nothing. My hair was coming out by the clumps. I was literally bald in the front. I had to wear shades just to cover it up. So my mom braided my hair up in the front, and here you probably can see a little bit better about how I don't have any hair in the front. I'm supposed to have hair right here, but it's literally my scalp. So I'll show you the back of how it looks. So these little plaits are so tiny because I'm missing hair in the front that usually will help make the braids thicker, and in the back is falling out as well. I just wanted to show you a little bit about how it looks, so hopefully as the months go on, it'll grow back and you can see the difference that the product made. Okay, before I end the video, I just wanted to insert 2 clips of how my hair looked before I got sick. This is in March after my hair was cut and shaped, and then this is with it flat ironed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it's so short. I'll see you again in a few weeks.